Academy of Cutaneous Sciences, Bangalore. We are here to demonstrate to you the procedure of hand rub using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. So let's start the procedure of hand rub. So we'll be taking 3 pumps or 3 presses of the hand sanitizer. You can even take sanitizer in such a way that it fills your palm. Step 1 of hand rub. You have to start rubbing the palms together like this. Step 2 of hand rub. You have to keep the palm of the right hand over the back of the left hand and start rubbing it so that it will be intersecting the fingers as shown. The same has to be repeated on the other side. The next step, that's the third step, is you have to get the palms together and start rubbing it, but then this time with intersecting the fingers. The step 4 of hand rub is you have to keep the palms like this and start rubbing the backs of the fingers as shown here with the palm of the other hand. So now step 5, we have to rub the thumb in a circulating motion as shown with the other hand. The same has to be repeated on the other hand also. After this, the step 6 is you have to clean your nails and the tips of the finger by circular motion on the palm of the other hand. The same has to be repeated on the other hand as well. And the final step or step 7 is you have to wipe the wrists of both the hands using the hand sanitizer. So in this way, the whole of the hand will be sanitized adequately. What are the side effects which will come across while using a hand rub? The main and most common one is dryness. For this, you have to apply adequate amount of moisturizer. Suppose in your house you do not have a moisturizer, then even you can use oil and ghee and adequately moisturize yourself. The second side effect which bothers everyone is when sanitizer goes into your eyes. Nothing to worry if the sanitizer goes into your eyes. You have to wash it continuously for at least 15 minutes with fresh water. So at the general population level, when to use hand rub? So hand rub has to be used whenever you come in contact with any external object, or as a matter of fact, you can even use it every 1 to 2 hours once to keep yourself safe. A small note for healthcare workers on when to use hand rub. Before and after every procedure, be it a small procedure or a big procedure, you have to use hand rub before as well as after the procedure. Hand sanitizer should be used after contact with the patient or any patient belongings like case sheet, medication strips or any objects in the immediate vicinity of the patient. Hand sanitizer should also be used after removing sterile or non-sterile gloves. So a quick review on the hand rub procedure. Stay safe, stay healthy.